a beautiful day that the Spirit of God has given to me. Indeed, it is my birthday on the 6th of June. In every year, it's always my birthday. I am an African man. So when it comes to the rhythmical pattern of high life, it runs through my DNA. This goes on to confirm me with that African status. So when you see me enjoying the African tune, it is normal for every African. And indeed, I am celebrating my birthday. So this calls for happiness and enjoyment. But I've got one quick message to share with you. When you cast your eyes into the society, anytime that you see somebody celebrating his or her birthday, it's always happiness and enjoyment. Forgetting that each time that you celebrate your birthday, it's a sign that you are eating up the years that God has purported for you to live here on earth. It's a sign that nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent here on earth. So in this life, it is only one thing that a man must win. It is only one thing. With the exception of this great momentum, you lose nothing, you win nothing. One thing that you have to understand is that the impermanence of things is a fundamental tenet of the cosmic order. The impermanence of things is a fundamental tenet of the cosmic order. It's an order of nature that reminds us of our ephemeral nature, of our mortal quirks. One day, I will be no more. One day, you will also be no more. Nothing is permanent. Gradually, I am migrating to a zone where one day I will enter into a realm that I will have no opportunity to return back here. Once I am alive and kicking, the only thing that I can do to help society is to help society, to impact them, to give them that divine illumination, to give out all my best to support humanity. Once you are eating your eggs, you are eating up your chickens. So, nothing is permanent. And remember that in this life, you only win one thing and you only lose one thing. With the exception of this, you don't win anything, you don't lose anything. If you've got a house, so many mansions, it is not something that you have achieved, but it's a sign that you have saved yourself for the rest of your life in renting. If you have bought so many cars, and luxurious ones, you have not won anything. You have saved yourself from the stress and the pain of transportation, the embarrassment that we normally face in public transport. When you buy a new car, you have saved yourself from all these things. So you have not won anything till this time of where I have gotten to in life. This is the exact thing that I've learned, that in life, nothing is permanent. You only win one thing and you only lose one thing. Apart from that, mansions, cars, money, you have never won. And that thing is salvation. You only win salvation or you lose it. That is it all. Make sure in all your struggles and toils, whatever your aspirations, your dream may be, reside at the back of your mental faculty that no matter what happens, salvation must be a win-win, not even draw. not to talk of losing salvation. Get closer to the Spirit of God. Allow the Spirit of God to take its course in your life. Allow the Spirit of God to direct you. And I believe that when the Spirit of God steps in, you're going to be somebody. You're going to be somebody special. Because indeed, it is the true Spirit of the Holy Spirit that will grant you access to salvation. Another thing that you have to understand is that nothing is permanent here on earth. You only lose one thing or win one thing. God bless you. Therefore, let me shout. So who say, Mesre, and a numbi dasie, and a mi pusumitia, and ye bibia. I am our da. Yahuah day, and a bidima woda, a seed of June. The mammy can be been shown. Overcome a few. Yamron also, you cry a team. So they will say, Obi a dinner would die. Nay, any GM Kuma. Nancy, ya no nipan. You refree say, Bra, Obusua holding a water, and any agent. Nothing quan na akan, na esa. In fear, radity man on, na esa. Nay saying, I will say, could be beach or say, we are sick, be any bar, about hop a query yet. Be any hop. Now, paying see, oh, we won't cost now uncle come na we wo. Ti abra would you birthday and a part a year anywhere no. Ka hu say won kwan na ede ma wo no. E na esa. Wi ase ade ba kwa minim say. Asase we so. Mi sia ade e mi hu say. Onipa asase so. Bibia nu a wo behwere. E bibia so nu a wo di nkunim wo so. Se wo toka en kire so wa di nkunim wo abrabom. Wo si fie bebre a en kire so wa di nkunim wo abrabom. Adentia. Se wo si fie a e kire say wabɔ mmɔden ɛna wo nkwa na aka wode apɛ wankasa efie sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔhaw ne amane a onipa kom ɛwɔ efie wura no mu binom nsɛm ɛno ɛna wagye wo ho afiri saa amane anim sɛ wotɔ kaa so a ɛno kyerɛ sɛ wadi nkunim wɔ abrabɔ kaa na wɔtɔ no wagye wo ho afiri ɛyɛ commercial cars mu atɛmdidi a mate bɛdi wagu so atɛmdidi a obi bɛba bɛtena di watam ɛne esu bi a yɛayɛ dɛnɛde onipa mpem wayi wo ho ade afiri nti woni nkunim wo bibia mu ɛna wo hwi asese wo bibia mu na de wo se hu ni sɛ ɛyade ba ko pɛ ɛne nkunim abodie ɛne nkwade onya bibia na woni nkwade a asebie bia anim sana me pese me ma wote ase nti abra wo nam a wo koi na wo pa abra ba abo na wo pese esi wie wo bia wo nwuman pomoden sɛ ɛyɛ owura no okurukuru no hotifo agya so agya Yankopɔn ne dimu nti ene soro ne asase wo ho ka hu se obema wani da so no bibia aye nkwaje mfoni ntu ka so mfoni ntu fie so mfoni ntu bibia so ifi se ni nyina betwam de oto 2022 ka about 2023 otwam de oto 2023 about 2024 so betwam sanso no mo beto afida ka eba no mo to bi afi so betwam we kire se onipa asase su a wote onam a wokɔ a oban you are going to be beyond Kakoda. Money now. Let me show.